Good luck on the bar examination. Call me after you take it. Garry Salomon here. I am a trial lawyer in New Jersey, and I just got a call from a law student who is graduating law school and taking the bar exam in July. She already took the ethics portion of it, but most law students and other people don't understand why licensed lawyers are members of the bar and why the test is called the bar exam. Well, it has nothing to do with pubs. Here's the answer, and it goes back to Mother England. If you have ever been in a courtroom, you will see that the judge, jury, witness box, and court clerk and court stenographer all sit in the front of the courtroom, and it's usually separated by a half-wall partition with a railing or bar on top of it. That bar separates the public from court officials, and lawyers are considered officers of the court. So we lawyers are permitted to cross the bar from the spectator's side to the official side, and that's why it's called the bar exam. To all those taking the bar exam, my best wishes and good luck.